Outside, while we sit here, someone's reading the names of people who have died of AIDS.
The names of perverts.
It's the sound of remembrance. Of remembrance. Of family and of friends and of loved ones. It's the sound of love. And all the people that have gathered in our meadow today have come out of love. And every stitch in that quilt was made out of love, and the quilt is so big. It's not because a tragic disease has cut a swath through our society. It's because there's so much love for the people the disease has claimed, and they will be remembered. They will be remembered for the experiences that they had, and the dreams they shared, and the joy they brought, and the sorrow they left behind. They'll be remembered, and it's all fueled by that which makes us most human, love. What is love? What is love? It's acceptance. That's what Christ's message to us is. Love one another. Accept one another. When you love someone, what do? You take them in. You take them into your heart. And that is surely why it hurts so much when we lose someone that we love, because when they die, we lose a part of ourselves. Of course, I guess that the truth is, everybody is part of us, and we are part of everybody else. The truth is, we are brothers and sisters. We're brothers and sisters. We forget that. Oh, we want to insist that we are not related to certain people at all because they are, maybe too little of that color, or maybe too much of that behavior. And we get scared, and we get selfish, and before you know it, we have picked up a rock. Hatred. Hatred and intolerance, they've been with us forever. How can love beat them? Hatred is so hard and sharp, unyielding. Love is so soft and gentle and giving. No, I guess love can never beat hatred. Never. All love can do is accept it. To take it in, bit by bit, piece by piece, so that after a while, and with a whole lot of patience, hatred disappears. And it's true that love can never defeat hatred, but it can overcome it. It can definitely overcome it.
Bravo! Bravo! You see what he's trying to do? He's trying to wrap us around his finger the same way he wrapped his freak flag around that rock. No! You made your speech. You listen to me. You stand up there spewing your liberal pap about acceptance. All you're trying to do is obscure the issue.
So what are you going to do? You're going to stand there and tell me that the right to privacy or the right to love as you see fit has nothing at all to do with acceptance? Is that what you're going to stand?
No, see, only your ideas of what is acceptable count, right, Reverend? Right? Especially when it comes to advocating perversion, right? Especially when it comes to circumventing the vestries process and dragging this congregation into some kind of a political vaudeville without so much as a by your leave. Well, that goes way beyond my ideas of what's acceptable.
Sit down.
This is our church, not yours, ours. And somebody has got to speak for the people that you have disenfranchised. I am talking about normal, decent people who don't want our church pulled into the gutter by a gay-loving heretic.
He's not any of those things! I have something to tell you. Something to tell all of you.
No, you stop. Right there, right
I
now.
won't stop! I can't! I'm sick of being quiet, and I'm tired of being scared.
I'm warning you.
About what? What are you afraid of? That I'll say something disgusting, something perverted? Well, I'm not afraid. Not anymore. Because I know who I am, and I can finally admit it. I'm Billy Douglas. And I'm gay.
No, you shut up! You shut up!
But Dad, I'm still the same kid. I'm the same one that you took canoeing and then camping. I'm the same kid who you hugged half to death when I brought you that dorky pipe home for Father's Day last year.
No, you
yes, I
are
am,
not.
Dad. I'm the same. I never would have known that if it wasn't for Andrew. I was going crazy. Do you know what it's like to wake up every morning and look in the mirror and say, it can't be, it can't be, it can't be? I was gonna explode. But Andrew, he treated me like me. He put his arm around me, yeah, he put his arm around me and told me it was okay, that I was okay. It was okay like this. And somebody started rumors saying he was trying to molest me, put the moves on me, a homo, that's bull! He only put his arm around me because I didn't think that my family would. See, this is how this whole thing got started. Somebody just twisted the truth around. But I was too scared, too afraid to admit who I really was. Mom, Dad, maybe you can't love me anymore. But I still love the both of you. And no matter what you think, I'm still your son. I'm your son, Billy Douglas. And I always will be.
Nothing could ever make me stop loving you. Nothing in this world.